Hello guys, good morning. So, here we are again, no? Check na naman tayo ng sugar natin. So, basically, katulad ng mga nakaraang araw natin, kahapon, sobrang katakawan pala talaga pag diabetic ka. So, kahapon, ang lunch ko was a buffet, and then wala pa ring katapusan ng aking taking of soft drinks or soda, and then butchi wakapuno yung merienda ko. Sobrang dami din. But right now, we'll check our sugar, kung ilan yung sugar ko ngayon. So, tignan natin. Okay? So, basically guys, bumaba lang tayo ng kahapon, no? Mga around 5 points. So, 296 tayo kahapon, and then today is 291. Same din. Wala akong diet nito. Ito lang yung tinitake ko, guys. Nililinaw ko lang sa inyo na wala tayong diet. But maybe, how many days from now, we'll go on diet, no? We'll try to have a diet. Tignan natin kung on what will happen. Kasi ang dami na ngayong nag-PPM sa akin na mag-diet ka kasi. But it's not that, guys, eh. Kasi pag diabetic ka, talagang matakaw ka, eh. So, right now, we'll go on the process. Kung kaya ba. Kung hindi kaya, then, well, we'll stop it. Thank you guys, and magandang araw sa inyo. Sana may mapupulot kayong aral sa ginagawa ko. Thank you.